What was it, please?
Yeah, I got it right here. It goes, the concept of counting merits confuses me. If
Well,
it is our obligation,
apologize. The concept of what? I didn't get it.
counting merits.
From yesterday, counting minutes. Yes. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Yes. It's in relation to question that was made yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So the concept of counting merits confuses me. It is our obligation to do mitzvahs and not to receive benefit.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't counting merits clash with the obligation to do the mitzvah without benefit?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, all right. It's a very good question. So we have to clarify. So the question was asked yesterday. I don't remember 100% how the question went, but the main idea is it allowed to count merits just to see how they went, right? How did they do? Look, compared today with yesterday, like with 7 days ago, with a month ago. So that's what I every day, me personally, even several times a day, I look at our statistics in our YouTube channel. How do we perform? And it says it has like 7 days performance, 28 days performance, 90 days, 365 days, and you can do every video performance. So that's how you grow. That's how you analyze. You see what worked, what did not work. So okay, so same lechavdol, same with this merits. So if person is one day he or she does 10 mitzvos and even the subconscious, you understand today was a bad day. I failed. So, but if you would keep the records, so I did this and that, right? So it's not counting. So it's just writing down for your own encouragement. And then you see Wednesday, I did not do anything at all. So of course you were like absent minded, like your mind was somewhere else and involved in other issues. But still, I did not do any mitzvahs. So, but when you write down, so of course, as we said yesterday, it's for self-encouragement, it's for constructive purpose. Absolutely, it's not like you count how many rewards, because anyway we don't know rewards. So only for a few mitzvahs you know the rewards, but it's for self-accounting to stay on track. Because what? Because it's a hara is going to try to confuse you. For sure, that's what the answer. So it's not like boast. Yeah, I'm so good, right? You're trying to see that you're stable or going up, right? Stable on one level and then go up, but don't go down. Or if you went down, so you understand Wednesday or Tuesday was a very down day, so you have to analyze what happened. Oh, you know what? I overslept and then I ran to work and then this happened. Why? And you say, okay, why I overslept? Because I was talking to this my friend on the phone and I thought I was going to encourage them, but to keep Torah and Mitzvos, at least listen to the movie, listen to the lecture, watch the movie, and guess what? You spend 3 hours on the phone and nothing happened. They just need attention. Some people need attention. So somebody like text me, I get this text every day. Can I call you? I say absolutely not. What? Like leave me message. Just think about message. I'm not usually I'm not responding right away. So you have like some people. One person had 12 deleted messages. I'm not sure what was there, but you have to time to retract. So maybe this issue was resolved. Maybe it was not important. Maybe it was I don't know. I don't know what happened to those messages. I'm going to ask later, but you have time when you're on the phone. Like you don't have this like clarity of mind when you're not pressed to answer, right? When you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 7 hours, 2 days to answer, so there's no problem. So it's much better communication. So right, so you spend this 2-3 hours for nothing. Next day you overslept because you did not sleep your normal amount, and it brought the whole day down. So that's you're counting your merits. Yes, that's for self-accounting. It's very good. Yes, Hishbon Nefesh, that's called accounting of the soul. Go ahead. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
I was wondering, how can we actually identify this thin line between using this self-accounting of merits in order to keep on the right track, and how to spot like the thin line when we are actually feeding our ego, when we're actually like, I don't know, feeding our evil inclination and thinking too much of ourselves. How can we spot this thin line?
Okay, so the Talmud in Pesachim said, but when you say we're starting doing mitzvahs for not for the mitzvah's sake, don't stop person. Let him do or let her do for not for the mitzvah's sake, because not for the Torah's sake, right? Because at the end it's going to he or she is going to do it for the Torah's sake. Okay, he just left. Okay, no problem. So what is it, John? What does it mean? That even a person feels himself very good about it, there is no problem. So you just continue to, if that's what Yetzer Hara wants from you, right, to feel proud that you advance. So well, let you feel proud. Let you feel proud. Let's if it's what you need to continue learning Torah, that's do. And eventually, of course, the more you learn, the more if you learn the right amount of the Torah, it's going to direct you, and you're going to do the same, but for the sake of heaven purely. That's it. So whatever encourage you to do things, do it. Right? As Rambam clearly said that you're allowed to bribe children, right? And women, women were not as educated as today. So all of your family members, you're allowed to bribe whatever you need. So they like this pizza. So they do, let them do something good, and you buy them pizza. Like ice cream, buy ice cream. He wants this toy, okay. If he completes this and that, so buy them the toy. Wife, she does checking of the vegetables as you told her 17 times. Okay, she did it. You saw it, so you have to encourage. Buy her some present. You understand? Is it bribe? 100% bribe, but it's bribe, a holy bribe. That's what we must do. You understand? And then we have to bribe ourselves, right? I learned. You see how much I learned? Okay, let me see. I learned 12 pages of this book and 2 pages of that book and 7 pages of that book for one day. That for me it's amazing. It's a lot. So I'm feeling good. So that's good. That's a good feeling. Continue. And all of the clowns of the years who said, no, you have to do out of love. So they on level 0 for 20 years. Level 0. So I would say 0.1. No, absolutely 0. Understand? So don't listen to all the people who know you have to let do, because HaShem he loves you. He loves us, but we continue to do whatever we do. Understand? So don't wait until you're on this level of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. Maybe you're never going to be. Maybe never of understanding HaShem as Yitzchak did. Okay, but still we will continue to do. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.